This looks pretty hazardous right here to me.
Permit required beyond this point. Bikes are not permitted within the San Jacinto Wilderness or on the Pacific Crest Trail.
We're in Idyllwild. It's a beautiful day up here. It's only supposed to be 74.
You got your permit?
No.
Oh, we can't go any further.
That's good. Hold it. I think you're going to like this picture.
Oh boy.
You take me, I'll take you.
What do you got there? A new camera? I wish I could see Tahquitz up there. Tahquitz Rock. As soon as I get in the sun to see it, I'm blinded. What happened?
I can't take any more pictures.
Why?
Memory card's full.
No way.
That's what it said on the camera.
Well, we need to delete whatever's on there. You're kidding me. Okay. Huh? Too bright? Well, I tell you, the zoom on this thing.
It doesn't even show.
What?
It's like. So how do you get up there? Can you drive?
Up there?
Anywhere closer?
No, this is it.
Oh my God! Somebody had to climb from here.
Are they up there? Can you see them?
No. But if they were gonna, they'd have to climb from here?
Yeah, that's right there. That's the climb. The zoom is so powerful that you need this apparatus that I got this camera in order to steady it.
I gotta see how I forgot how to zoom.
It's that little knob on top. Oh man. You need a tripod when you do the zoom on this. Because it zooms in so quick that you gotta hold it. Okay, so I'm going to walk around these rocks and see how stable this Steadicam is. Okay, I'm going down some pretty good rocks here. We'll traverse these rocks. Feet are kind of slipping. Talk. I can see how the sound is.
I'm looking at the slideshow.
Are there any other pictures on there?
I'm doing a slideshow. Oh, yes. Oh. I don't know what this is, but boy, it's tough. Hi.
Sounds like there's a video on there.
You put one on.
Oh.
That's not that one. I just took that one. This is a slideshow, what I just did.
Oh.
That tree and the mountain.
Okay.